My name is James Duke. I run James Duke Garden Maintenance. We're based in Whitstable, Kent. We look after gardens and grounds. Some of the grounds we look after, they can be quite large in size. We also look after small residential gardens. We have commercial sites we look after. Anything like that, we cover it here at our business. We've got some large sites, and beforehand we were using pedestrian mowers. It was hard work, it was taking a long time. So we was in the market for a ride-on. We looked at many different brands, but this Etesia one really stuck out. We met the guys at Grounds Fest and they talked us through the mower. We was highly impressed with what they had to say. So we spoke with Etesia and organised a demo. Ian come down, got us using them on site so we could see how good they are when we needed to use them. It absolutely blew us away. As soon as we tried the demo, we ordered it, got it bought. This Hydro 80 compared to using pedestrian mowers is just so much quicker. The mower is just so easy to use. We're covering a lot of ground in such a short space of time. Collecting a lot of grass, we're just finding it so much easier. It's just freeing up so much more time for us to get other work done or even just finishing the day early. One of the reasons we purchased this mower is because it collects, it mulches, can side discharge, we can drop, so it ticks all the boxes for what we needed it for. We've put the mulch plug in it, we've thrown over some grass in it, and it's just left another great finish. Collecting the grass, it's been great. The grass box is huge. So whereas pedestrian mowers, we were stopping every 5 minutes to empty the grass bag, we can now just keep going and going and going until this is full, and it just seems to go on forever. The size of this mower as well is incredible. It just fits through the tightest of spaces. It's through small gateways, in between buildings, in between parked cars. We can just get this mower anywhere we want to. We found this mower to be brilliant in the wet. Collection is great. It just doesn't hold us up at all. Whereas the pedestrian mowers, we're constantly clogging and we're having to clear out underneath the deck. We just keep going and we can mow huge areas before this needs emptying. So easy to empty. All we got to do is just lift up the handle on the side and tip the grass out and we're done, and off we go again. We found using the mower very easy from the get-go. It's so simple to use, the controls are easy. We haven't found any issues with it at all. It's a joy to use, it's an absolute pleasure. I recommend the Hydro 80 to anybody who's in the market for a ride-on mower, especially one that collects, mulches, side discharge. It ticks all the boxes, it's small, it's nimble, and you can just fit it in the back of your van at the end of the day.